Discover how to enable the sleek and eye-friendly dark mode on your Windows 10 system. With dark mode, not only gives your interface a stylish appearance but also reduces eye strain, especially during late-night work sessions. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate dark mode across your Windows 10 interface, from system settings to individual app customization. Open Settings. Then Ease of Access. In Display, go to Personalize your background. In Colors, enable Dark Mode. Once you've done this, Windows will switch to dark mode, changing the appearance of the Start menu, taskbar, File Explorer, and other system apps to a darker color scheme. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.